I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure the PS4 is powered off, not in rest mode, and the controller is charged. Once done, unplug USB accessories, but keep the AC power cable connected so the system can reboot. You press and hold the console power button, listen for the first beep, then keep holding until a second beep at roughly 7 to 10 seconds. This tells you the PS4 is entering safe mode. Then release the button and prepare to connect the controller. Once you see the safe mode prompt, connect your DualShock 4 to the front USB port with a cable. Wireless won't work yet. Make sure you press the PS button. This pairs the controller and wakes input, so you can navigate the menu. Then, wait patiently for the numbered safe mode options to display. They include Rebuild Database and Restore Defaults. If the menu is slow to load, do not force power down. Give the system a minute to initialize the interface. Now select the safe mode option that matches your goal. For software reinstallation, you may use option 7 or Rebuild Database with option 5. Read the descriptions before confirming. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and allow long operations to finish. Interrupting can corrupt data. If the console fails to enter safe mode or the controller won't connect, power cycle the PS4 and repeat the steps. Try a different USB cable and verify the control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.